Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple chicken fried rice. To start off, let's kick in the intro. We're going to start off by marinating our chicken breast. So we have our chicken breast fresh. We're going to put in some ginger paste, some garlic paste, pinch of pepper, pinch of salt. Then I have a mixture here with some soy sauce, some mirin, and I'm just going to put a light drizzle over this and a bit of cornstarch. I'm now going to marinate this in the fridge for at least an hour or two, just to let the chicken get infused with all the flavors and everything. We're going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl and beat them up. In the meantime, I put on the wok just so it gets heated up. I'm gonna put in some oil, then our eggs. Going to put in the chicken. I'm going to add in some garlic, some ginger, just to give this a good start. So I'm going to add in my lemon juice, just a bit. I'm going to add some honey. I'm going to add in some sugar, just so they infuse into the chicken properly. Just remove my chicken at this point because I don't want to overcook it before I cook in my veggies. Now we're going to finish off the meal. Just gonna put some oil again. We're gonna put in our veggies just to roast a bit, starting with our onions. And I'll put in our peppers and our cauliflower. I'm also going to add just a bit more ginger and garlic paste. Give more flavor to the vegetables. So at this point, I don't want my vegetables to cook in too much. Just we're going to add in my oyster sauce, my soy sauce, some cabbage, red cabbage, white cabbage. Generally, you can use whichever vegetables you still have at home that you left over maybe from the previous day, or that you feel you can incorporate with sweet corn or anything that you might like. I'm now going to put in some fish sauce, just a tad, maybe a teaspoon or so. Always good is stir fry. It's going to balance out the sugar and the honey that we put in before. I don't want to overcook all my vegetables, so I'm just going to finish off with rice. Of course, as we've always told, day-old rice is the best rice to use. I like my fried rice a bit spicy, so you can always have some chili paste. We're going to add back in our egg. Then I'm just going to give that a quick toss. Just to season up, I'm going to put on some salt. I'm going to add in just a tad of lemon juice. I'm going to also drizzle a bit of some coriander and leave some for garnish as well. Also, let's not forget the most important ingredient of all this, which is MSG. I know a lot of people have contradictions about this, but it always does wonders in your meal. So just a bit, not too much. Just going to sprinkle some spring onions on top as well. It smells amazing, looks amazing. Just going to plate it up and we should be done. Guys, doesn't this just look amazing? Just going to top it off with some coriander.
to finish off with some spring onions as well.
I'm going to give this a quick taste. Guys, this is so delicious. The chicken, the fish sauce, the honey, the sugar, the lime juice, everything has just come together so nicely. I guarantee you this is a recipe you should be trying. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.